Hey guys, upgrade my old clothes to fit my style with me. So this is the look one that I decided to use dirty manipulation to create this hourglass shape on the dress. So this is like a very on style in trend. And first thing I did was just reduce the length of this dress because the length was on a very long side for me. So that's what I did. First of all, just cut it and sew the hem. For the waist, the best method to get this is to find out your actual waist measurements and then minus it from the waist that you are working with. So for this one, I'm starting the darting from 13 inch and ending it at 18 inch. That's just from underneath my bust area. And then I decided to remove 6 inch from the front and then 6 inch from the back, which together is 12 inch from this current waist, which will give me my exact waist. So it all depends on the waistline you're working with. So each lines will be 1 inch because I'm moving half an inch from both sides like this. So this will give this darting to be 1 inch on every line that you see here. And each lines are all 3 inch apart from each other, so it's in sync. I think it's better to measure it. Then I did the back part. The back part, of course, you find the middle point. From the middle point you still measure at 3 inch and then put in the half an inch for the darting. So this is it after darting. So this dress is actually ready like this. It's very simple clothing alteration that will change the dress entirely and give it updated look. So this is like a favorite right now, from not being a favorite to being a favorite. So look at the shape. This is just so perfect. Like, I love how it turned out, and I'm looking forward to doing more of this. So that's it for look one. Now let's go to look two. So for look two, I decided to do some best strap manipulation. So this is another way to make an oversized dress look very cinched at the waist and then at the same time updated in a stylish way. So first thing, I'm just going to reduce the length. I removed the ruffle because I didn't want to go to the stress of unseaming. So that's the fastest way of doing this, and you won't even notice any difference. So I'm just going to cut off this part to reduce the length and attach the flay. So that part I'm going to use for the strap. Interesting fact is this dress was actually a maternity dress, so I'm so glad I was able to just update it to fit my current state. So right now I'm just going to work on the best strap. So I think the best way to have a lot of manipulations is just to make sure the best strap is on the long side. The width can be 2 inch, 1.5 inch, 3 inch, it depends on you. So this is ready. Now for the best strap, I'm going to first of all look for the middle point of this dress and then measure at 15 inch from my shoulder. That's where the best strap is going to start from. And then from the middle of this dress, I'm going to measure 5 inch. I think 4 inch is also okay, but I prefer 5 inch from the middle point. And then I'm just going to attach the belt. So this is me doing the back part, and then for the attaching of the belt, you can do it this way where you sew it and then turn it and stop stitch, or you can just decide to just stop stitch it direct like this. So it doesn't matter, anyone is good. So this is it. The best straps are ready. Like, this is what is going to make this dress change its forms on various ways. Just because of this strap at the side, you can actually style this dress in 6 different ways. And if you like me to do a short on that, just leave me a comment. I will actually love to do that. So this is the first way I tie this, and then this is the second way I did this, and then there's a third way, and there's more. So anyway, let's go to the third look. So for this look, I'm just going to show you my beginners friendly hack in taking in the sides of an oversized dress. This doesn't require any kind of measurement or stress. So first of all, I'm just going to cut off the length because I want it shorter, and then I'm going to hem the down part. So the trick I use for this, I usually use, you just place the dress size that I want to replicate. Like this is like a fave dress right now. I like the shape on me, this styling, the way it's curved, so I just place it directly to the dress I want to shape. Of course, you have to pin it down so that it stays well while you trace out the shape, and then I sew it. I took a bit from the armhole, from the arm piece up to the ham a bit, just like that, and then that is it. I just cut the excess fabric and it's ready, stressless. Trust me, this is a hack every beginner needs to know. So this is it, everything just fits exactly. So thanks so much for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe, and please let me know which look is your favorite in the comment down below. Bye.